The use of boards for the visual organization of information is the main innovation of Scrintal over traditional text-only note-taking apps. So in this video, I will teach you what a board is, how to create one, and what are the different uses you can have for a board. So let's get started. This video is part of a Scrintal for Beginners series sponsored by Scrintal. So if you want to have access to all the videos in the series, make sure to check the link in the description below this video. In Scrintal, there are two elements with an infinite canvas: the desk and the board. You only have one desk, and that's the place where you land when you open Scrintal. It's pretty much like your home page. But when it comes to boards, you can have as many as you wish. And each board is both an infinite canvas and an element that you can add inside of another board. So in Scrintal, you can have boards inside of boards. So to create an empty board, just find the Create a Board icon at the left corner of any canvas, click on it, and a new empty board will be created for you. You can verify it's a new board by checking the title at the very top of the screen. So okay, now you have a new board. So what? It's time to add a few elements in it. So to add new elements, just click at the plus icon at the left corner and choose either a card, a board, a daily card, a text element, a column, or a web link. Every time a brand new element will be created for you. But Scrintal is not just a drawing tool. You don't need to be creating new elements all the time. Instead, when you create elements like boards, cards, or web links, they will exist in your archive even when you choose to remove them from a board. Because in Scrintal, remove it from the board does not mean deleted. So you can always bring the elements back into your board by opening the left sidebar, searching for a card, a board, or a web link, and bring them all back into your canvas. Then with everything in the canvas, you can then start organizing your information visually to make sense of all of it. You can have a board as a workspace to hold all notes that you're currently working on, as a navigation board so you can navigate through the different areas of your archive, as a process board to keep track of a project and the status of your cards, as a sense-making space to make sense of a particular group of information, and much more. So go ahead and play with the board a little bit. And if you want to learn more about boards and everything else in Scrintal, make sure to check the Scrintal course in the link in the description of this video. So now that we have many elements in the canvas, let us explore what we can do with them in the next video. See you there!